how to reset the Explore page on your Instagram account. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different steps that'll help you reset not only your Explore page on Instagram, but reset what they show you and your algorithm. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Instagram app, navigate to your profile, then select the three lines in the top right of the app. Once in the settings, scroll down to the fourth section down labeled What You See and select Content Preferences. Once you're in Content Preferences, go ahead and select Your Algorithm. And in here, it's going to show you what they have kind of configured and what your algorithm is based on. So you'll see things that are your interest, and these are the things you want to see more of, and then you'll see things that you want to see less of. So you can remove any items by simply selecting them and selecting Remove Item. You can also move it down to See Less, or you can even add items here. They have some pre-configured ones, or you can select Add and just type something and then select the blue icon right here, and then that will be added to your algorithm. Additionally, in here, you can go back and you can change your interested and not interested. Additionally, in here, you can also go into sensitive content. You can choose to see less sensitive content if you want to, or go into political content and have it not suggest political content to you. Once you've gone through these three steps right here, one of the most important ones is going to be reset suggested content. Select that. You can read through this. It doesn't change who you follow, anything like that. You'll still see their content. It's just going to change what they actually show you. It's personalized. So go here, select next, confirm reset suggested content, confirm it one more time, give it a second to load. And then after that, your feed and your Explore page should be a lot less personalized. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.